Hello, welcome back. This is Chinese for Us hands-on writing stroke by stroke. 我是 Lily.
Hey everyone, I'm Chuck.
So far, we've learned all the strokes and how they're constructed. And starting from this video, we'll be talking about the stroke order rules.
There are only 8 basic stroke order rules. Today we'll talk about the first 2. Before we start, please have your practice sheet ready.
It's important to practice along with the video. We believe that understanding the concept is only the first step, but putting what you've learned into practice, it's what's really going to give you mastery of Chinese characters.
The first thing we're going to talk about is, do you really need to follow the stroke order? If you don't follow the stroke order, can you still write the character?
Well, of course you can still write a character, but knowing the stroke order allows you to write the character more efficiently and allows the character to have the correct proportions.
Also, if you don't know the rules of stroke order, every time you write a character, you'll have to guess how to write it.
It's a lot harder to remember a character if you write it differently every time.
Because writing involves muscle memory, you need to repeat the same pattern.
So following the stroke order is the most efficient way. Here's stroke order rule number 1, horizontal before vertical. In Chinese, it's called 先横后竖. 先 means first and 后 means afterwards.
先横后竖 literally means first horizontal, afterwards vertical.
Basically, what it means is that when they're both 横 and 竖 in a character, you write 横 before 竖. Here are some example characters. Okay, first one, 10. It means number 10, remember? The way you write it is like this, 横 and then 竖.
Now another one, 丰, it means abundant or plentiful. And when you write it, you'll write all 3 hung first, and then finish the character with 竖.
Okay, the third one, 干, it means dry. I'll let you decide how to write it first. Try it on your practice sheet.
Yes, the way you write 干 is to write the 2 hung first and then 竖.
非常好, so now we'll move on to stroke order rule number 2. It's called 先撇后捺, which means downward left before downward right.
Here, let's see some examples. The first one is 人. Do you remember this one? It means people or person. The way you write it is to write 撇 first and then 捺.
Here's another, 八. It's the number 8 in Chinese, and sure enough, you write 撇 before 捺.
The third one, 入, means to enter, and we'll follow the 先撇后捺 rule and write it like so. Awesome.
And of course, not all Chinese characters are this simple. There are often multiple strokes in one character, and this means there are also multiple rules involved.
So we've picked one character where you'll have to use both rule number 1 and number 2. Ready? Here it is.
It's pronounced 木, meaning tree or wood, and here's how we'll write it. 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, and that's it.
But just like with everything else, there's always exceptions. Don't worry, just stick to the basic stroke orders. We don't have to remember all the detailed exception rules, because whenever you learn a new character, there's always a tracing guide for you to follow.
The more you practice writing characters, the more you will be able to write from intuition. So please download the homework sheet that we provided for you. The link is just right underneath the video.
So I hope this video helps, and next time we'll talk about 2 more rules. Thanks, and see you next time.
谢谢，再见。
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up below or subscribe. As a member of our website, you'll have access to even more lessons, so feel free to visit us at ChineseFor.Us. Also, our social links are to the right. Thanks, and see you next time.